Naona event iko sawa. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Zawadi mmepewa ama bado?
So karibu pale mheshimiwa. Karibia na vijana wa.
Thank you. Asante sana our chief guest. Usikae our chief guest. Siendelea vizuri. Sasa ningependa kuhakikisha kwamba our area MP is here together with us. Na kwa hivyo ningeomba tukaweza kusimama ili tukaweza pia kumkaribisha anapoingia katika ukumbi huu. So anapofika pale nataka tupige shangwe na vigelegele anapoongozwa na bandi yetu. Tutashangilia mheshimiwa wetu mbunge Ndindi Nyoro anapoingia katika uwanja huu. Welcome. Asante sana mheshimiwa, karibu. Umefika tu wakati chief guest alikuwa anaendelea na speech yake, na kwa sababu alikuwa karibu kumalizia, tutampatia nafasi hii akaweze kumalizia speech yake. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana, naomba tukaweze kuketi ili our chief guest akaweze kuendelea na kumalizia speech yake. Asanteni bandi yetu Murang'A High School Band, asanteni wote kwa kukaribisha mheshimiwa MP. Welcome chief guest and continue with the speech.
So thank you very much. And I want to join everyone else to welcome the MP of Nyoro, my friend Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Karibu sana. This is your home. So I have talked to the students. have finished with them. I was talking to the parents. I have told you I'm a parent. Okay? I chair the Parents Association of Alliance High School. And one thing I have told parents is that, you know, these kids, it's not about what you tell them, it's what they see. So I've told you, you must be present. And like I read my official speech, the transition in our education and the reforms requires the presence of parents. And presence is not physical. Have you? Okay, Cindy, when you went for a meeting and someone is not there, how did you feel? Isn't it? So, you have to be present. You have to communicate. You have to look at your kids. You have to ask them, you know, and you must be keen to see change of behavior. Change of behavior is very important because your kid could be stressed just because of something. But because you are present in the house with a lot of fun, then you miss. Just give them responsibilities. You and I, when we were growing up, even the MP is here. When you're growing up, we had a lot of projects. You are left, and I was telling the sub-county this morning, director, you are left to make sure that the Kideri cooks well. Isn't it? You had a project to go down the valley to cut napier grass for what? For cows, isn't it? And that day, when that Kideri burns, you know what it means, isn't it? So we must ensure that we give our kids some bit of responsibilities. You know, I've seen parents in the university, and I feel a bit unsettled when I see a parent bring a kid up to the university and anaenda kwa registrar, forms ziko wapi na anamjazia. No, once he leaves high school, leave them. Let them go to the university. Let them look where the offices are. Let them struggle to ask questions. Let them get lost. Because it's only by getting lost when you find yourself. And people don't grow. People don't grow in abundance. No. People grow in adversity. When there are challenges, that's when people grow. Because we are used to giving them. No. Even when you have, tell them, I don't have, I'm going to look for it. So we must ensure that we are present. We must assure them. We must inspire them. We must reassure them and have meetings with them. And one of the first responsibility, like those who are in high school, how many have dinners with their children? Have dinner together. Even in family meetings, and I think I was with Ndindi somewhere 3 weeks ago, and I told the parents as well, in family meetings, clan meetings, women meet. They talk about sufurias. They talk about what? They talk about so many things. They forget to speak about their children's education. Let me tell you one thing. When you're long gone, everything that you have will change hands. But there's something that will never change hands. That image you brought to this world. It is the one that will tell the world 1,000 years from now that you actually existed. Anything else? If we have meetings of the clan, let's ask ourselves, let's have an agenda within our clan. Who is in the university? Let's make it an agenda. Tell you, Mheshimiwa will tell you, because his story is well known. When you're selling chaku, you know, he'll tell you that. And he will tell you how his parents supported that and how they were present. Like you heard my story. There are so many people who came during my dad's burial. They talk. But no one talks about my dad. It's the children who talks about their parents. Take time. Our primary legacy is world, is our children. The children, the biological children, or the ones we have adopted. Those are our children. And we must take time. And now, as I say during my official speech, because of this transition, you need to get engaged with